How to show CPU temperature in Taskbar on Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So if you want to show or see the CPU temperature in your Taskbar, you have to download this application. So for that, first of all, open any of your browser of your choice. Now search for the application called CodeTemp. You can either download the installer or the portable or Windows 32-bit. Just tap on it and the download will start. Once you have downloaded the installer, you just have to tap on it to open the application. Now click on Next. Then after, you have to agree to the terms and conditions and the installation will finally start. Once the application has been downloaded, you will see the interface like this. This way, you can view all the temperature as well as the temperature is available on the taskbar. If you want to hide the main application, you can tap on the File option on the application. And then you will see the second option as Show or Hide. So this is it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.